안녕하세요, 제 이름은 디샨더입니다. What's going on, everyone? It's your girl D here, back again with an unboxing for you. And today I will be unboxing my Yes, Oh Yes bag or box for July 2018. All the information will be down below in the description box about Yes, Oh Yes. Let's go ahead and let's get started. All right, so it comes like this in a little gold mailer. It used to come in a box, but I guess they stopped doing that, because the last ones I've gotten the past few months have been in this mailer. All right, you see my little dog up here because he thinks this is something for him. But not today. We got all yours the other day. All right, so this is the theme, is Summer in the Desert. Right there, like the card. And here is everything that we get on the back along with prices. So I'll be referring to this as I'm taking everything out. All right, here we go. First thing that's right on top is a face wash from GV Exfoliating Face Wash, and it's in lemongrass. And this is what it looks like there. It looks like it's one of those, can you see that? It's like a pump. So this is worth $18. My dog is licking my leg. What is going on down there? All right, anyway, next thing we have, this is looks like it's a lipstick in the color Bliss. I'm not sure where it's from. It's from Sourmé. This is what it looks like. Sourmé Cosmetics. And here is the color name right here. And this is worth $22. And let's see if I can open it to show you what the color looks like here. All right, lipstick bullet looks like, let me turn it the right way, looks like this here. And wait a second, come on out, here we go. I had a hard time getting that off. Oh, that's pretty. It's like a metallic, doesn't smell like anything. It's like a metallic mauve-y color. It's very pretty. It's not coming off metallic on this camera in this bad lighting that I have, but it's like a metallic color. This is nice. Okay. And again, this is worth $22. Moving on, next thing we have in here is this is a lip liner from Per Se Professional Smear Proof Liner. It's in the color Nudist. This is what it looks like there. And here is the color name. And there is the actual pencil, and it's just your standard nude sharpenable lip liner pencil. This is worth $23. And then I have another, what is this? This is an eyeliner. Okay, this is a tattooed waterproof eyeliner from Scone, I believe. And it looks like it's purple. That's what the eyeliner looks like there. And let's see, what color are you? It looks purple. I'm going to open this up. It is sealed. And again, I appreciate that if it's sealed. The struggle, though, of getting into it, that is, sometimes it takes a little bit of work. By the way, this Stone Insanely Intense tattooed liner is worth $19. And this is what the eyeliner looks like without the packaging over it. The color's plum, actually. And here it's one of those felt tip ones. All right, let me go ahead and y'all know I don't do swatches, but that's really pigmented. All right, and it looks black. It's like a dark plum. Can y'all see that? It's coming off black on my camera, but that's that right there. But it says plum, but you look black to me. Anyway, I digress. All right, keep it moving. Next thing we have in here, I think this is the last thing in here. Yep, because there's nothing else. And it was wrapped in this bubble wrap here. And this, yes, is the Desert Vibes palette from IBY Beauty. And that's what it looks like. I love this palette. It's totally inspired by Coachella, as you can see from the Ferris wheel on the front. You guys know I love Coachella. I love music festivals. I love California. So this is awesome. That's what the back of the packaging looks like. And it's cruelty free. And it says, this is inspired by the magic of the California desert. Sunsets, this palette is packed with 12 highly pigmented blendable shades, infused with rose hip seed oil for skin protecting properties. Create infinite looks with the carefully selected shades arranged from light, medium to dark, easy transitions. So that is nice. This company, they are based out of California, and I have a couple of palettes from them already. I'm wearing one of them on my eyes now. If you can probably see that, I'm not sure if I'm close enough, if you can see. I will show you that palette. I'm wearing the City Lights palette, and I think I have it down here. Hold on, or the City Limits palette. Let me see if it's here. Sorry about that. It is, and I also have the Poolside palette. I'm going to show you those in 1 second. Let's get to Desert Vibes. Love this. Coachella, by the way, is in the desert in California. So it's awesome. So this comes with a mirror and a protective film over it. Nice big mirror. And it says, on the mirror, it says, you are more than beautiful. I'm going to cover this up. Those are the colors. So this is a nice palette. I like this a lot. And there's a lot of, you know, browns and terracotta reds in there. There's a nice blue. This is nice. This is nice. Okay, that is everything that's in my Yes, Oh Yes box for this month. But let me show you my other IBY palette right quick. The other two, actually. This is the one that I'm wearing on my eyes right now. It's called City Limits, okay? By the way, this palette is only $20. And, oops, before I do that, let me show you the other side. This is the other side right here. And this one is inspired by the lights and sounds of the music festivals. So, this is nice. This is what this looks like right here. City Limits. Nice purple. And here is the inside of the palette right here. Those are those colors from the City Limits palette. Again, and I'm wearing some shades on my eyes right now from this palette. I really, really love this palette. And then I also have their latest palette that they came out with called the Poolside palette. And that one is beautiful. And when I show you Poolside, you'll see why I got this one. And I got this one, it came out at the end of June is when they announced it on their Instagram. And when I saw it, I said, absolutely, it screams K-Drama Paradise, because look at it. That's the Poolside palette by IBY Cosmetics. Is that not me? That's totally me. Do you see that with the water and the flamingos and the pineapples? It screams K-Drama Paradise. And again, so this one is, you know, it is based off of, you know, poolside, just being outside and for the summer. This is what it looks like here. Gorgeous palette. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And then on the inside, this is what it looks like. I've used this one too. Do you see that? Gorgeous colors in there. Love it. Okay, so I went off on a tangent there showing you my extra palettes by IBY. They just happen to be here because, like I said, I used them recently. So I just kept them here in the bathroom. But let me go ahead. Let's recap what we got in our Yes Oh Yes. First of all, my collection so far is complete of IBY palettes because I got the Desert Vibes. Love this so much. And I also got from GV the exfoliating face wash, which is needed because I need a face wash. So I'm glad that came right on time. From Sourmate Cosmetics, I got this lipstick in the color Bliss. Yes, Bliss. And then I got an eyeliner, and it's not smearing either. I have an eyeliner from Scone in the color Plum, and it's waterproof. So that's nice. And it's a nice change from not getting just like a black one, because we always get black, which I love black, so I'm happy with either. And this is from Per Se Professional, and this is the smear proof lip liner in the color Nudist. Alright, my friends, that's everything in my Yes Oh Yes box or bag for this month. Let me know what you think about these products. Have you ever used them before? If so, leave them a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Have you used any IBY products before? Their shadows are very pigmented, and the color payoff is really nice, and they blend really, really well. I personally like them. So if you've tried any of the IBY eyeshadows, let me know. I've gotten things from IBY before, so I'm familiar with the company. Let's see, anything else? Oh, very important. If you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that. I will have a giveaway when I reach 1,000, but I gotta get there first. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you next time. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.
넌 나고 난 나